Hi guys, so today we will start with the concept of dominant epistasis as we discussed in the last lecture. That epistasis is when one particular gene gets influenced by another gene's effect, right? So its expression gets modified by any other gene. So this is a classic example of summer squash. It's a fruit that we usually get during the summers. So now, usually in the market, you would see that we get three colors of summer squash. We get a yellow, we get a green, and we get a white. So what is the genetics behind it, right? So now, in this case, the yellow and the green colors are given by a single hypostatic gene, which follows a normal law of dominance by Mendel. So the hypostatic gene in a dominant state gives the yellow color, okay, and in a recessive state will give the green color. So that's the basic concept. But now in this particular genetics, you have an epistatic gene as well, which is another gene which gives a white coloration only when the alleles are present in a dominant condition. So either homozygous dominant or heterozygous dominant condition. So what does that mean? That means that to get a white fruit, you will always need one dominant copy of the epistatic allele, correct? So you will either need a capital W with any combination, anytime a capital W, if present, will always give you a white fruit. Why? Because it is epistatic and dominantly epistatic. So if even one copy of the dominant allele is present, then it will modify the expression of the hypostatic gene. However, to get this yellow fruit, you will always need, for yellow and green both, you will always need the epistatic gene to be non-functional, that is to be in its recessive stage. Then, when the epistatic gene is in recessive state, and you don't need to worry about it, the hypostatic gene will give you its original uh, method of phenotypic expression. So if any one copy of capital Y is present, you will get a yellow fruit. And if both the copies are small, that is, it's a homozygous recessive, you will get a green fruit. So these then would be the phenotypes and genotypes of this particular epistatic inheritance. I hope this was clear. In the next lecture, we will obviously discuss the Punnett squares regarding this. Thank you.